Hi, my name is Brian Emig. I'm an outside sales rep with Ox Paper Tube and Core. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video to learn more about us. This is our paper house where we keep our raw materials. All of our paper is sent up from our parent company, Ox Paper Board. Our paper consists of 100% recycled material. It's delivered to us and then in turn is used in the plant to produce the tubes and cores. From this section, our recycled paper rolls are entered into the racking system where the operator ties the smaller rolls into the larger rolls to create a continuous run, never allowing the machine to stop. All those rolls or plies are added together to create the thickness of the tube or core. As it runs through the machine, adhesive is added to the plies and then scraped off with a scraper system that allows the glue to be added to the plies that gives us the recommended amount of adhesive for manufacturing that tube or core. As the plies spiral wind around the mandrels, it then follows down the line to the saw where the tubes are cut off to length, where they then can either be created or applied to packaging for direct shipment, or then to a different department, which is our recutting department, where the tubes then are cut down to the final size before shipment. The ID, or inside diameter, to create the cores or the tubes range anywhere from 3/4 of an inch up to 24 inches in diameter, from a .030 wall up to a 1-inch thick wall core. Once the cores are loaded onto the dollies, they are then sent to the recutting department where the tubes and cores dry, awaiting to be cut down to the proper size in the recutting department. Here's another example of one of our recutting machines. This is an automatic recutter. The tubes are cut to final length for packaging and then sent directly to the customers. All of the waste that comes off of the tube and core lines are then brought back to our shredder baler, where the tubes then are shredded, broken down, and baled with an automatic tie baler. From there, the waste is sent back to our other company, Ox Paper Board, where it's turned back into raw materials, pulp, and then remanufactured into the recycled paper, which then in turn comes back to us here at Ox Paper Tube and Core to create more cores and tubes. Here at Ox, we crush test all of our tubes and cores to ensure that our customers receive the quality that they expect. The Emerson crush test machine has the capabilities to crush various IDs from 1 inch to 18 inches in diameter, and we prefer that all the crush samples that we receive are at least 4 inches in length to ensure consistency and quality for that crush specification. Here's an example of some of our products being shipped. These products go out to many customers across the United States. Thank you for taking the time to visit us here at Ox Paper Tube. To learn more about us, please visit the information on the screen.